I didn't actually start doing this with rope. It started out with carpets, big giant old discarded carpets from houses. I would get a bunch of people together, we would drive to some tree and make a secret carpet spot up in a tree. But eventually I figured out this rope method makes it invisible, so you could pretty much build them anywhere you want. So I spent a long time before I came out and let people know I was doing this, building secret spots all over the place. And those would get popular, and tons of people would see them, and then soon I would see other people start building them around that same spot. Later on, I started seeing other people start doing it online, and then people started using paracord, and so I switched to paracord too, because that was a really good idea. Paracord's great. Paracord takes a really long time to deteriorate, like 7 to 10 years, and it's really pretty, and it's really not that expensive. Only like $60 per every 1,000 feet. So with all the multicolored paracord, there's all kinds of different patterns that you can make. Like back before I knew about paracord, it was the chaos pattern that I first started using, and that's just weaving in random directions to make a scribbled in, filled in surface. But since paracord became a thing, there's all kinds of multicolors and stuff, and lots of room for pretty patterns and stuff, and I've come up with cool patterns. A lot of the internet has come up with a lot of cool patterns that's influenced my style back, and now I know I've influenced hundreds of thousands of people with this, and they have been influencing me back as people around the world build more and more of these things. And every day I start seeing more and more businesses of people doing this popping up. I have found that over the years I am very deeply and emotionally affected by my own work, because for me it was my brainchild. It was something that I thought of and it developed into what it was. So I didn't learn this off of anybody. I came up with it. It was like my own invention. And instead of seeking out some long-lasting career, I've pretty much dumped all of my energy into spending every waking moment building as many of these things as possible and posting them on the internet so that people are exposed to what this is. Every single web I make is different. If I've tried out an idea already, I'm gonna try something different on the next one. The possibilities of this kind of technology are limitless. There's an unbelievable amount of three-dimensional shapes that you can make with a web, and I've made a shit ton of models and things, experimenting, trying to figure out how and what possibilities are out there. For each web, I want to make it comfortable for people and functional, but I also want to use functional ideas to expand what you can do with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Charlie's Webs, and follow me for way more webs. I never stop weaving.